In this video, we will discuss Boolean functions and their truth tables. A binary variable can take two values 0 and 1. Boolean function consists of binary variables with two binary operators OR and AND a unary operator NOT. So the definition is a Boolean function is an expression formed with binary variable with two binary operator OR and a unary operator NOT with parenthesis and equal sign. A Boolean function is an expression formed with binary variables with two binary operators OR and a unary operator NOT with parenthesis and equal sign. Consider a function of three variable f1 is equals to x, y bar, z. The variables can take any value 0 or 1 depending on the value of the variables. The function f1 can be either 0 or 1. If x is 1, y is 0 and z is 1, then the function f1 is 1. Otherwise, function f1 is 0. So for better understanding, we will see the truth table of the function. So before going to see truth table, let us define what is truth table. A truth table is nothing but tells the value of the function depending on 2 power n combinations of n variables. So to represent a truth table, we need 2 power n combinations of ones and zeros of n binary variable. A function can be of a 3 variable or a 4 variable. Above I have taken a function of 3 variable. Now I am taking function f2 of a 2 variable x y bar plus x bar y, and one more function f3 of 3 variable. f3 is equals to x bar y bar z plus x y z bar. A Boolean function is equals to combination of variables. An expression or an equation, both are same, which is equals to a Boolean function. So now we will see the truth tables of these three functions f1, f2 and f3. So before going to see the truth table, we will see the difference between the literal and a variable. The function f1 and f3 consist of 3 variables x, y, z, but in the function f3 it consists of 6 literals. So literals is nothing but each occurrence of a variable in a complemented or uncomplemented form. So let us see truth tables of these three functions. f1 is equals to x y bar z, f2 x y bar plus x bar y, and f3 x bar y bar z plus x y z bar. So truth table consists of 2 power n combinations of ones and zeros. These three equations consist of 3 variables. So there are 2 power 3 combinations, nothing but 8 possibilities. 0, 0, 0 for 3 zeros inputs. So 0 into something, 0 into y bar is 1, but 0 into something multiplied is 0 only. So function f1 is 0, and x is 0, y bar is 1, something into 0 plus 1 into 0. So this is 0. 0 and coming to function f3, x bar is complement of 0 is 1 into 1 and multiplied by z is 0. So this is 0 and here plus 0 into something is nothing but 0. So function f3 is also 0. So similarly we need to see for the next possibility 0 0 1. So 0 into y bar is 1. So 0 into something multiplied by is 0 only. Similarly x is 0 and y bar is 1, but 0 into 1 is 0 and x bar becomes 1 into 0. This is also 0. And coming to f3, x bar is 1, y bar is 1 and z is 1. So 1 plus something is nothing but 1. So for the next combination 0 1 0. Similarly we need to see till 111. This is how a truth table is verified. So we need to see for all these possibilities for 0 1 0, 0 11, 1 0 0 up till 7. So 0 to 7 total for 3 inputs, 8 combinations will be there. So hope you understood the Boolean function and the truth tables and the difference between literals and the variables.